In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a loop in Zapier. If you're new to automation or simply looking to enhance your workflows, understanding how to create loops in Zapier can dramatically streamline your processes. So let's dive in together and explore this essential feature. Firstly, head over to Zapier's official website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this easily by clicking on the login button located at the top right corner of your screen. If you've integrated your account with Google, you can simplify the process by using your Google credentials to log in. This step will save you time and keep everything synchronized. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on Zapier's homepage. Look for the Create button. This is where all the magic begins. Click on it and then select the Zaps option from the list that appears. Zaps are essentially workflows that connect your apps, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Now let's define a starting point for our Zap. Click on Trigger. This is where you determine what sets off your automation process. In the search bar, type in Airtable if that's the app you want to use to kick things off. Once it appears, click on Airtable to select it. Next, you'll need to choose an event. Here, we recommend selecting New Record. This means that every time a new record is added to your Airtable, it will initiate the Zap. After selecting your event, you need to connect your Airtable account. Click on Sign In to authenticate your Airtable account with Zapier. Once you're signed in, it's a good practice to click Test to ensure everything is connected smoothly and functioning as expected. Now it's time to add an action. Navigate to the Action section and in the app search bar type Looping. Click on Looping once it appears. Just like before, you'll need to choose an event. For this example, select Create Loop from Numbers. This will allow you to repeat tasks as specified, then hit Test to verify that your loop configuration is set up correctly. With your loop set up, you might want to integrate it further. Click on the plus sign to add another step. This is where you can add Slack to your workflow. Choosing Slack allows you to send notifications, complete tasks, or much more. Pick an event such as Send Direct Message to keep your team alerted instantly. Again, you'll need to sign into your Slack account through Zapier and use the test button to ensure everything is correctly wired up. This systematic testing prevents hiccups later on. Finally, once you're satisfied with your setup, click Publish. This will activate your Zap and make your automated loop live. Congratulations, you've successfully created a loop in Zapier. Your automation will now work efficiently in the background, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching and happy automating.